The 50th participant in the Silva Challenge is Joel from Radio Flyer Diecast. 50 Silva challenges. That's wild to me. I've sent out actually 51 of these boxes now when this one goes out because one got lost. But it's been a lot of fun, and it's been great seeing what people have created, and I hope it's been fun for everybody else. So let's have at it. Let's see what we have here. A Scuba de Fuego Hot Wheels. That's kind of cool. Now, Joel creates his own 3D prints. He creates his own 3D designs and does fantastic 3D printing. So I'm not going to throw a bunch of 3D parts in this one, but I'm going to try and cram it full of castings as much as I can. Here's a Hot Wheels shark casting, the Shark Cruiser. You've seen that before. I've used that in a few combi builds. Let's see, a Hot Wheels something or other. I don't know what it is. Gotta love the engine on this thing. That I think Joel can get really creative with. Oh, let's see, come on. The shark's giving me troubles. There we go, that fits. I didn't know this one. The Hooligan. That's a cool casting. The engine on that, I bet you could take that engine out of there and use it on a lot of other builds. I'll have to keep that in mind for the future. This one, so far these are all having a futuristic look. There's no name under this Hot Wheels. I have no idea what that is. Mustang Cobra, the Nestle Crunch Mobile. That's making me hungry. I haven't had a Nestle's Crunch. Lord knows how long it's been since I've had a Nestle's Crunch, and man, that was like my favorite candy bar as a kid. I think now it's probably Snickers, but anyhow. What is this? This is a nerve hammer. A nerve hammer. Okay, sure. Do I have any, I was going to say, do I have any construction equipment here? This is a matchbox, crane truck. Missing a part, as anyone can tell looking at it. How can it be a crane truck without a crane? Oh, I'm going to throw this in here, Joel. I don't know why, but Lord knows what you'll do with it, if anything. But I see that as kind of challenging. Let's mix this up a little bit. Made in Hong Kong. That's metal body. Apparently a 6-cylinder engine. The pipes and stuff are nice. It's actually a decent... Reminds me of an old Matchbox casting. But it's not. Oh man. No name on this one. Yeah. They could have made it cool if the wings popped out. That could have been really interesting. Oh, it's like what? Cougar? What is that? Oh, Firebird. Yeah, Firebird. 69 Firebird TA. That's nice. A metal body, metal base. Terrible wheels. Oh, here we go. 56 Ford pickup, Moon Eyes livery. There's some castings in this tub that are in pretty good shape. I probably should have gone through this tub for things to build before. Let's see what's in there. I don't know what this is. The Z-Rod. That's cool. Out of these ones that I've thrown in here, I think for a post-apocalyptic style build, this is kind of challenging because so many of the castings are futuristic. Here, let's throw this in there. Hot Wheels Rapid Responder. Plastic body, unfortunately. Metal base. Kind of funky. Yeah, I think that'll work. This is a Hot Wheels keychain. Yeah. Why? Sure. Is that cruel? Am I being mean by throwing that on there? Okay, I'll throw a Peterbilt truck in here if it fits. That's a Matchbox Peterbilt. Almost all of the pipes. Oh, I need to rearrange the keychain. Get that to work. Look, there's... I may end up taking this motorcycle out. I'm not sure. I might. It's something about it that's not making me happy. I want to find something for that one little spot that I don't know, that maybe could be an easier post-apocalyptic build. I don't know. It is post-apocalyptic or sci-fi. It's a science fiction build, so it can be the future. And so, why not throw this Star Wars casting in there to finish it off? There you go, Joel. There's the castings. As far as anything else I'm gonna throw in here as I'm looking. Oh, that's cool, the Jet Z. I think I did get a few of these 3D pieces out. These were created by Time Rider, designed by Time Rider. And so the tracks are kind of cool. I think, even though I know you can print your own tracks and create your own stuff, I think I'm going to throw those in there. And there's some wheels that he designed and a base. So I think I'll throw those in there. So this is it, Joel. Let me move this out of the way. Okay. So there you have it. The 50th Silva Challenge. And it fits. Have fun with it, Joel. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching this box go together. Be sure and check out Radio Flyer Diecast. And there'll be links to his YouTube and Instagram on the description for the video. Have fun with this, Joel. Thanks for participating. Thanks to everybody who's taken the Silva Challenge. Many more to go. And stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you all in the next one.